Hello and welcome. In this class, we will talk about biotechnology. Definition of biotechnology. Let's begin. What is biotechnology? Biotechnology is the use of biological systems, organisms, or derivatives to develop or create products, processes, or technologies that improve the quality of human life, agriculture, and the environment. It involves the manipulation of living organisms at the molecular level, often through genetic engineering to solve real-world problems in areas such as medicine, food production, and industrial processes. In essence, biotechnology merges biology and technology to innovate solutions in diverse fields such as healthcare, vaccines, gene therapy, agriculture, genetically modified crops, and environmental management bioremediation.